Right, here we go. We're back again. Start of another week. It's Monday morning, another new update. There have been a couple of changes in the workshop over the weekend. Right, first of all, we'll go to the thermometer. I will let you know that where the shed is, the workshop, sorry, where the workshop is, it is in a corner of the garden, so it's out the way of the wind, out the way of the rain, kind of sheltered. When there's big storms, it does get big storms, but the temperature in here today, right now, hopefully you can see that, is -1. If you're not from the UK, there is warnings of big snowstorms and everything coming in. So because that's -1, it's been bloody cold over the weekend as well. I've actually taken the printer indoors because it was just way too cold for the printer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the heaters now. I'm going to get it to warm up a little bit. I came out here earlier on this morning, it was about -3 or something like that. So I grabbed the vinyl I'm going to need for the cutting. So that's indoors, warming up, getting it customised. I'm going to turn on the heaters now, get them going, get them warming it up a bit in here. Then I'm going to come out, I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going back inside because it's warmer inside and I got coffee inside, and we will continue the rest of the video there. But there might not be too much talking over it because the wife likes to watch a bargain hunt and Homes Under the whatever, and what's the other one she watches? That one, Get a Free Holiday in Australia, and then Tell Us If You'd Like to Live in Australia. Oh yeah, easy what that answer is when it's bloody -1 in the workshop, isn't it? Right, okay, I'm going to crack on and I'll see you in a minute. Right, well, we've had the heaters blasting out for an hour now, I suppose, and they've got it up to 6 degrees. That's how good the insulation is in this place. I think I might need to do the roof. But yeah, anyway, I've just brought these in. They've been indoors. They are lovely and warm. You touch them, it's like, oh, that's nice and warm. So yeah, I'm going to cut out what I need to cut out, and then we are going to go back indoors, and we're going to make up the signs in there because it's lovely and warm in there because I've got the heating on, and it's glorious. So right, yeah, bloody cold weather. Hate it. Right, let's crack on. We got more sun.